This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, steering wheel mounted controls, a keyless entry system, active fuel management, trailer wiring, tinted glass, stability control, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, and cruise control. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Straight Line Automotive Group is located at 2727 Northaven Road in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.